Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Bayu Putranto. I'm Associate Technical Advisor of Synex Metro Data Indonesia. And today we will learn about tutorial create access point zone. So what is access point zone? Access point zone is like a grouping for some access point. So in that group, we can create a rule, we can create SSID. So based on zone, we can create SSID and which access point is belong to that zone and who which user can access point only to that zone. So this feature is uh, very benefit for us. So here is the prerequisite. We should already install virtual smart zone or already have a device smart zone, and then the access point must already connected to the smart zone. Okay, let's start to the smart zone. So this is our smart zone and the status, sorry, this is our access point and the status is online. So we need to create a zone. First, we need to create domain. The domain is maybe Rakas-test. Okay. We already create domain Rakas-test. And now we need to create zone. Oh, okay. I think we need to wait. Okay, and here it is. The name is Rakas Das Zone, and the country code is Indonesia. And we will edit this later. And right now, we create Rakas Zone. Admin is admin. The password is metrodata.1. Okay. And here we are. We already create a Rakas Zone. So I hope this is informative for you and thank you for viewing.